I'm Miss Barbs. That's my people call me. My name is Benedict Emperado. I'm the country head and the project head of this upcoming music festival. And of course, I would like to thank you sa lahat ng mga dumalo dito, yung aming mga media partners, yung mga aming bisita, and then our friends and relatives who supporting us, and also Sir Alden, Richard, the Myriad team. Thank you so much, guys. Sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam, IME Philippines is one of under the IME Global, which is a global brand that producing concerts. And then it's a well-known promoter in Asia that usually doing concert. And hoping this time in a Filipino market, ito na yung target talaga namin in the music industry, and then supporting Filipino in an artist and also in music. Hoping this is includes already for us.
Alright, thank you so much. Palakpakan natin si Miss Barbs. Maraming salamat.